If you've got a Ring camera on your porch, the lock on your footage changes in September. Ring's calling it take, as in throw away the key encryption, and it becomes the default for every Ring customer worldwide. The way it works is that your video gets its own rotating keys, and Ring keeps a copy in what it calls a secure enclave in the cloud, a sealed vault. It opens that vault to run the features you've switched on, then deletes the keys within 24 hours. After that, only you and the people you've shared with hold anything that opens the video. The consequence Ring leads with is about the police, and it's a real one. Under take, Ring says it can hand over basic subscriber details and an encrypted video file, and that's it. Warrant, subpoena, court order, the video still goes out locked. That's a genuine shift for a company that partnered with hundreds of police departments back in 2019. But take is not end-to-end encryption, and Ring doesn't pretend that it is. Every time Smart Alerts fires, or you search your video, or Ring writes a description of what it saw, Ring is inside that vault. The key exists on Ring's side, in Ring's cloud, for up to a day at a time. Actual end-to-end encryption is still there. It's a manual setting, per device, in the app. Switch it on, and Smart Alerts, video search, and shared users all go away. So the choice sitting on your porch is the features, or the math. Ring does throw the key away, on a timer. We'll see how it lands when the rollout starts. I'm the Tech Bard, and go check which mode your own camera is in. Hit like and subscribe. This one's AI made, human checked before it went out, and if anything slipped, I'll want to know.